A nice new feature on the TI84+CE with the operating system 5.3 is piecewise functions. There's many other opportunities to do some new stuff, and if you find more out in resources to do this, if we click on resources, then we can find out what's new. And here at the top is piecewise functions. There's some other examples of things that it does. So let's show that. Let's say I was trying to do this 3-part piecewise function. Well, on the calculator, we would normally go to y equals and we'd type in 3. This time we can type it all in as 1, as long as we have it as a piecewise function. And that's found in math. And it's also at the very bottom. So I'm going to arrow up to find the bottom, and there it is. B is a piecewise function. It'll ask me how many pieces. So in this case, we have 3. So that's okay. And now I can type them in. First one, 1 minus 3x. Now the inequality that we're going to put afterwards, to get the inequalities, they're in test. We can use this for many things, but in this case, we're just going to use it for this piecewise function. If we go into test, there it is. We want number 5 and 0. Again, a nice little feature of the TI84+CE is the ability to do fractions, so to the power of. And there's a quick link on the new operating system to get a fraction using the alpha X button. So there we go. On 2, an arrow across. And again, that now is a different inequality. Into test again. And we need to go back into the equality because it's enclosed. To 4. Arrow down to the last one. Make sure we use negative here, not the takeaway. Squared. Again, the inequality. Oops, I've got +9. So +9 on there. Go back across. X is greater than 4 for all the other values. 4. So there it is. The piecewise function is now typed in. I'm happy with that. I've set the window up already, so if I go to graph, there's that beautiful piecewise function. How fantastic is that? And again, students can read off values in the table if they need to. So on that note, I hope you find it useful, and good luck making your own piecewise functions. Thank you for watching.